Hi everybody, I am Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today is the wrap up of my entire reading year. So I'm gonna tell you which are the books that I read in 2016. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Before that, we have some facts about my reading. I took a reading challenge on Goodreads to read 50 books this year, but I could not read 50 books, and to be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. But at the same time, I do not want to fill myself with negativity, and I want to go into the next year with very much positivity. So I'm hoping I'll read a lot of books next year. So that's it. But that's not the end of the video, of course. So I read 24 books in last year, and my total number of pages that I read was 7691 pages, 7691 pages. That's a lot, I guess. And the longest book that I read was Harry Potter and Deathly Hallows by J.K. Rowling, and it was 784 pages long. And the shortest book that I read was Aiden's Choice by Sam Felix. It was 148 pages long, and I recently read it. So if you want to see the review of the book, you can check in the description box down below. The description is actually going to be filled with a lot of links today, because I'll link down all the review videos I have and all the wrap-up videos I have, because those are mini reviews in this description, so do check it out. Average length of books I read was 334 pages. So you would know I do not really read very short books, so that's why it takes me a little bit longer to read books. The most popular book that I have read is Twilight by Stephenie Meyer, and the least popular was unfortunately Island Game of Modern Life by Himanshu Kumar Shah, and this book definitely deserves to not be the least popular. I have read the book, I have reviewed it, and it's an amazing fiction come sort of philosophy book, and I know a lot of you actually read the book after my recommendation and loved it, and you should definitely go and read this book if you haven't read it already. And my average ratings for the book were 3.8. Truthfully, I have a lot of books which I didn't like this year, and I have a lot of videos planned to cover all of these things. So you surely subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video, okay? Those were some facts about my book reading, and I am so thankful to you to actually watch this video, because it's all about me, self-obsession. But now I'm going to tell you which are the 24 books that I read. Like 2015, this video is all going to be just the names of the book with the covers flashing here or here. I'm not going to dive into the details because I have linked all the details below, and I have like 4 or 5 videos planned to cover the books that you should actually notice from this whole video. And so everything will be covered, but if in case you really want me to talk about the book or tell you about specific book, then you can comment down below. I'll obviously reply to your comment, okay? So this is in the order of how I read them, and I feel like I'm blabbering so much, so let's get started. Breath, Go Away and Other Stories by Shriman Narayanan. Logically Stupid, That's Love by Shikha Kumar. P.S. I Still Love You, which is the second book to All the Boys I Have Loved Before by Jenny Han. The Dormant State by Divya Satpathy. Twilight by Stephenie Meyer. The Great Indian Diet by Shilpa Shetty Kundra and Luke Coutinho. From Tiggy with Love by Nitin Sharma. The Zahir by Paulo Coelho. City of Bones, which is the first book in the Mortal Instrument series by Cassandra Clare. Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Island Game of Modern Life by Himanshu Kumar Shah. Losing My Virginity and Other Dumb Ideas by Madhuri Banerjee. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, which is the book 7 in the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. 13 Steps to Bloody Good Luck by Ashwin Sanghi. The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett. The World's Best Boyfriend by Durjoy Datta. Divergent by Veronica Roth. Rukhsat, The Departure by Sujit Banerjee. Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. The second book in the Percy Jackson and the Olympian series, that is The Sea of Monsters by Rick Riordan. The second book in the Mortal Instrument series, that is City of Ashes by Cassandra Clare. The third book in the Mortal Instrument series, that is The City of Glass by Cassandra Clare. Secret Sins and Struggles by Kamini Kusum. Aiden's Choice by Sam Felix, which is the first book in the Neil Wallenton series. So yes guys, these are the books that I read last year, and I would definitely love to see which are the books that you read last year. So if you remember them, comment down below, or just comment with your favorite book. So I'll be waiting for you in the comments down below, and this is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon, precisely tomorrow, okay?